Procrastination isn't a problem. Procrastination is a symptom of the problem. And until you understand what the actual issue at hand is, no productivity tactic I tell you will be effective in helping you to beat it. See, a lot of the times procrastination is simply a deflection from the internal state of your feelings, whether that be you're anxious, nervous, stressed, excited, or worried about the future forthcoming, taking you away from being effective and completing the work you've set yourself. In this video, I'm going to be covering the psychology of procrastination and how to tackle these internal feelings that are actualizing themselves in this procrastination you feel. The next actionable step to give you the short-term benefit and help you beat procrastination is to plan very clearly what you're supposed to be doing. If you go into the task and you are feeling this procrastination, this friction, this barrier of entry between you and your productive self, it means you haven't planned clear enough, essentially. If you go in knowing every single step you need to do to complete the task, even if it's something so small like replying to emails, it could be the thing that's holding you back. If your task was replying to emails, doing the admin work for your business, then just breaking it down to replying to said person, replying to said person, replying to said person, instead of this blanket term, has two benefits. And number one is that you extrapolate your to-do list, you make it seem longer and more productive. So as you go through and you tick off, send that email, tick off, send that email, tick off, send that email, you're kind of tricking your brain in a sense to believing that you're more productive than you actually are being. It makes you feel incredible, number one, because of the dopamine being released into your brain upon the tick, tick, tick of the to-do list. And whether that be planned inside the award-winning physical planner that I'm selling in the description or included in the package we spoke about earlier, or just on a scrap piece of paper or on the notes on your computer, you need to be hyper-specific on what you're actually trying to do and break down the steps to get it. I like to explain how to plan with goals and objectives. So the goal of the task is to reply to all of the emails in your inbox that are important for you and your business. But the objectives are each and every single email and your reply to them. So the broad goal, the overarching theme of the task of the productive work is reply to emails, reply to outreach. And then the objectives is the to-do list itself. Reply to this person, reply to this person, reply to this person. And if you use that simple formula, you have a much better chance of actually completing the task.